Yo, what's up guys, your boy DJ Kid of Hunnid Round Drums, and we are back again with another video. Yes, I do realize it's been a minute since we uploaded, but that's a different story for a different day. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make an ambient R&B sample. This one's going to be inspired by Drake and Huncho. I already have the loop made for you guys with me and my boy Cannon Beats on the vocals, so I'm going to break down all the parts in the sample. But other than that, if you're new to the channel, like always, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into it.
I can't blame you, your love, you changed my mind and turned it around, so I couldn't see, you take me for what I can be, open your eyes cause this ain't no.
Alright guys, so like I said, I already made the sample, so we're going to start off with the vocals. Had my boy Cannon send me some vocals. He records music, so I just asked him if he could send me something to add to the loop, and this is what he sent me.
I can't blame you, your love was true, you changed my mind and turned it around, so what I couldn't see, hope you take me for what I can be, baby, open your eyes cause this ain't no.
So yeah, shout out to my boy Cannon for sending that vocal. With that, I turned it down 200 cents, and then for the mix, I threw in Fruity Compressor, Parametric EQ. Now I have the 7 down right here to give it that muffled, mellow R&B vibe. So that's why that's like that. I threw in another Parametric EQ. Then we have the Valhalla Room and Fruity Reverb, both to give it that ambient vibe. Same for the Fruity Delay, and then Fruity Flanges. I think that's how you say it. I still don't know how to say that word to this day. But yeah, I threw in that and I put that down to 50%. So yeah, that's pretty much the vocals. Now let's jump right into the piano. Alright guys, so here's the piano melody. Nothing major, but just a little simpler melody I put down. And it's in the key of A sharp major. And I'm gonna just play it for you real quick. Nothing too crazy on the melody. For that, went from A sharp down to F, then up to F sharp, and then it repeats itself. So pretty much the only different thing I added was the piano runs. And also you can see down here with the velocity, I did turn them down. Didn't want to have them too high, so where it feels like a person was pressing on the keys too hard. So I turned those down, and then of course I Alt R to randomize the notes to give it more of a human feel. And with that, I threw on parametric EQ, of course, and then another parametric EQ. All right, moving on to the next part. We're in the Omnisphere. I'm using a preset called Dream Searching Glass, and for that one, it's pretty much the same thing as the piano melody, just minus the runs. Literally the same thing as the piano melody, just took out the runs. Same with the velocity, turned that down, and Alt R to randomize the notes. And then for the mix, I added in a parametric EQ. Once again, had it down right here on the 7 to give it that mellow, soft vibe. Doing another parametric EQ, and then Fruity Reverb. Alright guys, moving on to the next part, I added in another pad. This is also in Omnisphere, and this one is called Denmark Mood Pad. Pretty much the same thing as the first pad I showed you. Still play it anyway. Added that one. I feel like that one had more of a grainy, sharp tone to it, and I think it complements the other pad very well. So with that one, threw in parametric EQ, another parametric EQ, and a Fruity Reverb. And I didn't have that one mellow, because like I said, I want to keep that sharp, grainy texture to it. Alright guys, for this next part, I decided to make my own accent. It's in Electra. It kind of sounds like a bell, but I'm gonna let you hear it. So throwing in that to give it like a futuristic type of vibe. With that one, threw in Fruity Compressor, Parametric EQ, another Parametric EQ, Valhalla Room, Fruity Reverb, Fruity Delay, Fruity Flanges, and Parametric EQ. And as you can tell, it has a lot of reverb and delay on this one to give it an ambient vibe. So, alright, next up I have this phrase that I found. So yeah, definitely complements the melody very well. For that one, I threw in parametric EQ, another parametric EQ, fruity reverb, and then fruity delay. Now for the next part, I actually made my own drum pattern. I deleted it and recorded it, but pretty much it's just a drum pattern. I'm gonna play it without the mix first. So yeah, with that, all I did was just put in parametric EQ to give it like a muffled Drake type of vibe. It's pretty much a common Drake drum pattern. People use it a lot. And it's real easy. You can make on your own. You don't even have to find like drum loops for it. So with that, added parametric EQ. So I put this right here to give it that muffled vibe. Another parametric EQ, and then fruity reverb. Then the last thing, of course, added the growler moog bass, the go-to bass that a lot of people use. So yeah, simple, just the bass notes. With that, I added parametric EQ and another parametric EQ. All right, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. That's pretty much the loop. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like always, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll be back for more content, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
I can't.